All right, so here's a look at this doorbell and receiver set. Now this set is gonna come with 3 receivers and then 4 buttons. Now I like the fact that they provided you with some stickers so you're able to label them and you know which one correlates to which. Or you can connect them all to basically just one. That way you can hear this all throughout the house. Now the button itself, you're gonna see here, this is gonna go either on the outside, in the backyard, or wherever you're gonna have someone requesting to ding. You can go ahead and click that and it's gonna activate these receivers. This can be mounted with either the sticky foam tape that's provided, or they also have a screw-on version as well, so you could easily just snap it into place like that and it'll mount up on the wall. And I'll show you how it works. So let's go down here, we'll plug this one in and I'm gonna grab the receiver for this. So if I click it right now, you'll see that it went ahead and dinged, but the volume on it right now is quiet. It's on the low level 1. It's got all the way up to 5 different volume levels. So if I click the volume over here on the side, it can get really, really loud. So at the highest, I think it's 110 decibels. So if you are hard of hearing or you're just not able to hear your normal doorbell, then you can easily pump this up to the highest volume and you'll be able to hear it. This also has 58 different tones. So we can go through a couple of those real quick. So as you can see, there's a bunch of different options. So if you don't want a regular doorbell ding, if you want maybe music playing or anything like that, you can kind of go through there and select those. It's really easy to select. All you do is go through until you find the one you want. Then you're gonna hold down the down button and the volume button at the same time, and it'll keep that selection. These are rated for 1,300 square feet. So if you're gonna be utilizing this, let's say outside or maybe in the garden or somewhere that's a bit far from the actual receiver, it should work as long as it's within that 12 to 1,300 feet. These are also great because you're able to just place them all over the house. You could have one in your living room, you can have one in the bedroom, you could have one in the backyard, and you can basically just place them all over the place. That way you're able to hear the doorbell ring pretty much every single time. I also like the fact that these are easily just plugins. So maybe you're going into the backyard and you're gonna just be out there for 30 minutes. You don't necessarily need to leave this outside all times. You can just unplug it here from, let's say, the kitchen, bring it with you, plug it in outside, and boom, it's gonna go ahead and work just like it would when it was in the kitchen. So I love the fact that you could basically just bring these around with you, plug them into the wall wherever you're going, and you should be able to hear the doorbell. So if you want a simple way to set up a doorbell, maybe you're hard of hearing, or you're just in an area where it's a bit more loud than normal, then I would definitely recommend picking up a set of these, setting them up, and seeing how they work for you.